I'm overloaded this morning. At this particular dump, I'm going downhill, and I just don't have enough power to lift this thing. So I'm going to let it run till it stops, then I'm going to pull ahead and take her to the back, and then I should be able to dump. All right, that's all it took. One time to pull off, back up, hit the brakes real hard, get enough to the back, then it will raise it up. Can you see that? That number right there. I was overloaded by 520 pounds. I have this truck tagged for 54,000. So I had 613 bushels, 16.5 moisture, 59.8 test weight. So that's why I could not dump, because I was overloaded. All right, on to get the next load. I'm not going to overload it this time. All right, let's take that load to the elevator. I was not overloaded with this second load. 52,280, 572 bushels, 15.8 moisture, 59.8 test weight. So that 15.8 moisture is about what I was checking with my tester. because that was the last one I tested yesterday evening. I left the combine loaded, so that went on this second load this morning. So we're right on the money with the tester. Okay, I have not said anything about the old Purdue grain elevator lately. So this is the facility in Lothian, Maryland that Purdue closed down in, what was it, March of this year, I think. So the county, Anne Arundel County, bought the facility, and they have been working since March to find a grain buyer to go in there and reopen the facility. I didn't think it was going to happen myself, but lo and behold, they finally found someone, and I just got an announcement here that it will be opening this Friday, October 13th. Oh, that's a bad sign. Friday the 13th. Opening a grain elevator. What did I say last Friday when I started shelling corn? You don't start a project on a Friday, you'll never finish. So yeah, they will be opening Friday, October 13th, hours of operation, Monday through Saturday, 7 a.m. to 5 p.m. So I think that's good news. It'll be interesting to see where their pricing is going to be. I have never heard of these people that are going to be running the operation. Warfield Brothers, I think is the name. They are from Maryland, from what I understand. They had one or two grain operations somewhere, was it down south in the Midwest? I'm not really sure. So let's see where their pricing is going to be, see if they're going to be competitive or not. I wish them success. It will give us another outlet for our grain. Hopefully the county gave them a great deal on running the operation. I cut corn maybe a little bit differently than other people, I don't know. With a 6-row header, you can't turn around and go right down next to the track you came in. So I've come down here through the middle, 6 rows here. That was where I came through the middle last time. Then I'll go to the end, catch these 6 rows. I just keep making a circle, going the same way each time. That gives me plenty of room to get turned around and get into my row. I always try to turn on so the auger is on the inside, so you don't have any possibility of swinging around the other way and swinging into a tree on the end with that auger. I don't know if I would know how to farm without trees or telephone poles in my fields or on the edges of my fields. I've only been up 2 augers on a combine. Oh, I shouldn't have said that. Once was a telephone pole. I think I told that story. That was on my 4420 combine that I had. And the second one was on this combine right here. We were moving into a farm with a very narrow driveway, trees on both sides. And I had to swing to get around one tree, and when I did that, the auger swung around and struck another tree on the back end as that combine whipped around. That auger sits out what's probably 5 feet past the combine, and with those rear tires that steer, it just will whip that thing around and smack that tree and bend it up. Oh hell, I wasn't paying attention. I'm going down through the middle. I've got a grain tank that's almost full. I'm not going to get to the end. Gosh darn it. That's one of the disadvantages to shelling corn this way. Oh well, there is a reverse on this combine, and I can back out of here. Let's see if I can back out without knocking down too much more. I knocked down a little bit on this side that you can't see. That's what I get for talking to the camera. I was supposed to dump when I got to the other end. But no, I was explaining to you all what I was doing. And that kind of screwed me up. Damn, these things are good. When I took that last load of corn to the elevator, they had pizza that they offered me. Domino's pizza. So I had a slice of pepperoni pizza. They had some guys from a bank there. Was it First? Hold on. I think I can tell you. Let me get next to the truck here. So they had some guys from First Bank and Trust Company, Sheldon, out of Harrisonburg, Virginia. So these guys were just promoting their bank. They do a lot of ag lending, apparently. So they had offered me some water, and they had some peanut butter crackers, I think. I already had water. And I had my Pringles in the truck. But apparently they had also brought in pizza and left that in the office. So I did have a slice of pizza. Talked to the guys a little bit. I don't have any intentions of borrowing any money at the moment for anything other than a hardware store, if I can make the numbers work on that. Okay, I think the bird man is coming down today to dump some corn for me. Oh, heck, I'm full. I'm close to cab corn, but as long as I am careful with the stick, I will be okay. Hey, the truck is coming to me, so I don't have to go all the way down there.